This video supports the installation of the handle set on Andersen 4000 series, 3000 series, and 10 and 8 series interchangeable and retractable screen storm doors. To get started, you will need safety glasses and a Phillips screwdriver, as well as your handle set kit available from the Home Depot, your Andersen dealer, or parts.andersenstormdoors.com. Before you begin, find the installation guide that came with your handle set or door. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. The steps outlined in this video will follow along with the installation guide included with your storm door or handle set kit purchase. Insert the handle without the spindle into the exterior trim plate, which is labeled with the Andersen logo. Make sure the levers are in a downward position. Then rotate the handle slightly to secure it. Please note that additional steps are required for laminated glass doors. Refer to the interior trim plate kit included with your storm door or handle set for further instructions. Check the orientation of the lock case by looking into the handle holes. If the notch is facing away from the glass panel, proceed to step C1 in your installation guide. Rotate the handles into a horizontal position. The spindle will pass through the square hole in the lock case and into the other handle. Install the exterior and interior trim plates together using two 1.5-inch pan head screws onto the door, but do not fully tighten. If the notch is pointed downwards, proceed to step C2 in your installation guide. Rotate the handles into a vertical position. The spindle will pass through the square hole in the lock case and into the other handle. Install the exterior and interior trim plates together using two 1.5-inch pan head screws onto the door, but do not fully tighten. Install the lock case trim plate onto the edge of the door and fasten with one number 5/8-inch screw. Do not fully tighten the screw. Insert the deadbolt key cylinder into the lock case. Be sure to engage the thumb latch for proper installation and fasten with one 1.5-inch flathead screw. Then, fully tighten the trim plate screws. Check the handle set to confirm proper operation. You have successfully installed the handle set on your Andersen storm door. If you need parts for your Andersen or EMCO storm doors, or if you have questions about care, maintenance, or repair, visit our website at andersenstormdoors.com.